Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Leila Hayat Ashq Adalat. Young Leila's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor, the beautiful young woman who once cared for Leila's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Leila's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems. Paying for his mistake with his life, left homeless and alone, Leila swears revenge on the woman who destroyed her family and stole her life. Years later, Leila returns under the guise of Ella, a talented chef hired by Noor, who is now living in luxury with her new partner, former football star Tofu. But things take a complicated turn when Leila's childhood savior, Chino, reappears in her life as Jivan, Noor's adopted son. Number 9. Shakir Pasha Ailesi. The series is based on the true story of the Shakir Pasha family, an Ottoman dynasty shattered by scandal, only to give rise to some of the 20th century's greatest artists. In 1911, Shakir Pasha was a retired Ottoman commander and a history writer living on Bucada when his elder son Jivat returned from Oxford with an Italian wife. They all lived together in the family villa, where the Bohemian Jivat was increasingly at odds with his military father, who disapproved of Jivat's wife and lifestyle. But Jivat's wife became infatuated with the older man and he was unable to resist. So began a chain of events that tore the Shakir Pasha family apart, which is just the beginning of their remarkable story. Number 8. Sahib Sizzler. A story of six siblings Azize, Kemo, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggled to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardain. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bada, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardain's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a splendid life in the forest, raising six children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. The story highlights resilience as the older siblings are forced to grow up quickly to protect their younger brothers and sisters in the face of overwhelming challenges. Number 7. Jan Borju. The series follows Mehmet, a successful lawyer, as he strives to reconnect with his estranged daughter Dua following the death of his mother. Along the way, long buried secrets come to light, threatening to upend their lives. The delicate balance of the family is shattered when Jalal's hidden affair surfaces, creating turmoil. Meanwhile, his wife Handan, unaware of the unraveling around her, fights to keep the family together against all odds. Number 6. Adutso Sevda. Adutso Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karasu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to flee when he was just 5 years old after his father was murdered by the local crime boss Rizwan Lito. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart Yasamin. But when Rizwan's son murders Yasmin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army with the sole purpose of destroying Rizwan Lito. Number 5. Karal Kai Bedar Se. The series follows Kenan Baran, a successful businessman, in a troubled marriage with his wife Handan. His affairs force her to confront her self-worth while Kenan's life is turned upside down by Fadi, a young woman from a poor background. Their relationship leads to a downfall that changes everything, exploring the power struggle between control and freedom. Number 4. Piazza. Piazza will focus on love, betrayal, and power struggles in the world of media, magazines, and TV series. Moreover, as burdened as the wedding dress she is set to wear, surrenders her fate to a stranger in a desperate attempt to save her family. Her journey, which begins in a small coastal town, soon carries the dark secrets of the past and the ruthless reckonings of the future into the dazzling world of Istanbul. In this world, Turkey's biggest star, Kenan Akin, takes center stage not just on the glimmering screens but also in his own solitude and the addictions he cannot escape. Yet, neither the bright lights nor the hidden truths can conceal the manipulative force behind him, his mother, Kariman Akin. Number 3. Kizilcik Sharbati. Kizilcik Sharbati tells the captivating story of the idealistic Dua falling hopelessly in love with a charming man from a devout family whose values clash with those of her mother, creating a powerful drama as they seek to overcome their differences and find harmony. Kizilcik Sharbati explores the powerful evaluation in the idealistic Dua when she finds love at the start of university with a man whose both beliefs conflict with those of her mother Kevaljim. An unexpected pregnancy is set to turn Dua's life plans upside down, shaking to the core two families from different worlds. Number 2. Uzak Sheher. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return, and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is not indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave, confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region. Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 1. Iyali Chapkani. Hali Saga is the owner of a large jewelry empire and the head of the Korhan family. Even though his son Orhan and oldest grandson Fuad run most of the business, he still makes the most important decisions in the company. His younger grandson Firid, who is the total opposite of his brother Fuad, is a very irresponsible young bachelor who just returned from abroad where he went to study. Halis can't take any more of Ray's recklessness and he charged his widowed daughter-in-law Ifakat with finding him a nice girl to marry. The news that Halis Saga is looking for a bride for his grandson comes like a bolt from the blue into Kazim's mansion in Gaziantep. Kazim's only hope to get rich are his beautiful daughters, Suna and Seiran. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.